Hi guys, samahan niyo ako mag-unbox nitong napanalunan ko sa isang giveaway ni Nika Varandmal dito rin sa TikTok. And this is the Fresh beauty product. I didn't know na meron silang makeup line kasi ang alam ko lang is yung skincare and I'm using yung mga skincare nila. First off, we have this mattifying skin tint and I have two shades. Ito yung creme brulee and vanilla cream. Yung creme brulee medyo masyado siyang yellow and yung vanilla cream naman is medyo maputi. So, pinag-combine ko silang dalawa para makuha yung shade ko. This skin tint is, meron siyang 5 times na vitamins. Vitamins B3, B5, B6, C, and E. And also, nakaka-blur siya ng pores and nakaka-brighten din siya ng complexion. This is also medium to full coverage. And then, meron din tayong beauty sponge. Okay tong beauty sponge, medyo malambot siya, pero may pagka-dense ng konti. Meron din tayong nakuhang skin mattifying setting powder, which also have the 5 times vitamins B3, B5, B6, C, and E, and also the shade creme brulee and vanilla cream. This powder feels very silky and buttery nung sinwatch ko siya. It blurs pores and long wearing din siya. It also has the same vitamins as the skin tint, so gustong-gusto natin yan na may skincare dun sa mga beauty products natin. And here it is swatch on the hand. So what I'll do is siguro yung creme brulee is on the outer perimeter of the face and then sa T-zone yun yung lalagay ko yung vanilla cream. And then next we have two shades ng blush. This one is in the shade Very Swift. So ang cute ng packaging niya, ayan may pa-heart siya. And this one is rosy yung tone niya. Or yung shade niya rather. And then yung isa naman is may pagka-peachy and the shade is Acai Sorbet. So mas prefer ko tong may pagka-peach ng konti kasi feeling ko mas bagay siya sa skin tone ko. So this is how it look like swatch doon sa hands. Ayan, para mabigyan ng justice naman yung pag-swatch. So this one naman is the matte lipsticks. So this one is in the shade Red Velvet. And sobrang budge proof nito. Na-try ko na rin kasi to. And then we have two shades ng eyebrow definer, Toffee and Espresso. Budge proof siya and very user friendly siya. Meron na rin siyang kasamang spoolie. Since may pagka-dark yung hair ko, I think both shades can work naman. But I prefer the shade Toffee over Espresso. Budge-proof and long-wearing din siya. Ang cute ng packaging, no? Medyo makulay. Parang mga pang-teens, ganyan. And kung hindi ka marunong magkilay, I think hindi ka mahihirapan gamitin to kasi yun din yung hindi ko kayang gawin, yung magkilay. But surprisingly, nagustuhan ko siya. And this is how it looks like. So, ito lahat nung nasa box and ito lahat yung napanalunan ko. So far, so good. So, I'll upload another video kung saan ginamit ko sila lahat para makita nyo how it perform. And nag-wear test din ako dun sa video na yon. If you want to try it, I'll link it down below. Magmaganda ng naayon sa bulsa.